Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change the line to candlestick on your TradingView platform. So when you're gonna choose like stock or currency pair or whatever, you're gonna have like the line here. That's a default one. How you can change it is what you need to do is you need to go to top left, and then you're gonna have like line here and candles, and here you're gonna have the candles that you're actually looking for. So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, see ya.